can see in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So let's open the box here, and now we can see here only some paperwork. So unfortunately we have not here any accessories inside the box, so you can see it here on the back side of the our box, so that we have not here just any chargers and the cables, so we have here only our Sony Xperia device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.